Welcome to my YouTube channel MK English Institute. Great things take time. Great things take time. لوی کارونه وخت غواړي. Winners never quit. Winners never quit. ګټونکي هیڅکله نه تسلیمیږي. Always stay positive. Always stay positive. تل مثبت اوسئ. Every problem has a solution. Every problem has a solution. هر ستونزه حل لري. Light always follows darkness. Light always follows darkness. رڼا تل له تیارو وروسته راځي. Life is full of possibilities. Life is full of possibilities. ژوند له امکاناتو ډک دی. Life is full of possibilities. Work hard in silence. Work hard in silence. په چوپتیا کې سخت کار وکړه. Work hard in silence. Effort bring success. هڅه کامیابي راوړي. Effort bring success. Small steps make big changes. Small steps make big changes. وړه ګامونه لوی بدلونونه راولي. Small steps make big changes. Dreams require action. Dreams require action. خوبونه عمل غواړي. Dreams require action. Trust yourself. Trust yourself. پر ځان باور وکړه. Trust yourself. Don't compare yourself to others. Don't compare yourself to others. خپل ځان نورو سره ما پرتله کوه. Don't compare yourself to others. Be proud of who you are. په ځان ویاړ وکړه. Be proud of who you are. Love yourself first. Love yourself first. لومړی ځان سره مینه وکړه. Courage starts with you. Courage starts with you. زړورتیا له تا شروع کیږي. Be your best version. Be your best version. خپله غوره نسخه اوسه. Be your best version. Patience is power. Patience is power. صبر ځواک دی. Fight for your dreams. Fight for your dreams. د خپلو خوبونو لپاره وجنګېږه. Fight for your dream. Strength comes from struggle. Strength comes from struggles. ځواک له ستونزو څخه راځي. Strength comes from struggles. Never doubt your strength. Never doubt your strength. خپل ځواک هیڅکله شک مه کوه. Never doubt your strength. You are unstoppable. You are unstoppable. ته ناماتېدونکی یې. You are unstoppable. Strong people never give up. Strong people never give up. قوي خلک هیڅکله نه تسلیمیږي. Strong people never give up. ګران دوستانو که ویډیو مې خوښ شوی ویډیو لایک کړئ. زموږ چینل ضرور در سره سبسکرایب کړئ. مننه.